In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend header navigation menu width on Squarespace. If your header navigation feels too cramped or your menu items are wrapping in a way that doesn't look clean, adjusting the menu width with custom CSS can help give your site a more polished and balanced layout. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go inside Squarespace so you can add the code in the right place. To begin, log into your Squarespace site dashboard and go to Website. This is where you'll find the main controls for your site's structure, design, and navigation settings. If you're following along on your own site, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct site before moving forward. Once you're in the website section, click on Pages. This area is where Squarespace organizes the main pages of your website, along with several settings related to how your site is built and displayed. Even though we're editing the header layout, the path to the CSS editor is accessed from this broader site configuration area. Next, click on Custom Code. This section gives you access to areas where you can add code-based changes to customize your site beyond the standard built-in settings. It's especially useful when you want to make small layout or styling adjustments that aren't available through the visual editor alone. From there, click on Custom CSS. This is the specific editor where you can add styling rules to change how elements appear across your Squarespace site. Since we want to extend the width of the header navigation menu, this is exactly where that code needs to go. Now paste the code into the custom CSS editor. Make sure you place it cleanly into the editor so it's easy to review later if you ever need to update or remove it. Once the code is added, Squarespace will usually preview the visual change right away, so you can check whether the navigation menu now has the wider spacing or layout you want. As you review the result, pay attention to how the header looks across different screen sizes, especially if your menu contains several links. A change that looks perfect on desktop may behave differently on smaller screens, so it's always a good idea to double check the overall appearance before finalizing it. After that, save your changes if needed, and your updated header navigation width should now be applied. That's all it takes to extend the header navigation menu width on Squarespace using custom CSS.